Step into the 2008 Scion TC. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: AC, CD player, passenger vanity mirror, power windows, driver airbag, knee airbag, and integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.